Elevate your pool maintenance with the Dolphin. Whether you've got an above-ground or in-ground pool up to 33 feet, the Nautilus CC has you covered. It's perfect for most residential pools and handles every corner with ease. Weighing just under 14 pounds, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is super lightweight, making it easy to carry, lift, and store. It's powerful but never a pain to move. No random zigzags here. The clever clean technology uses advanced algorithms to scan and map your pool's layout, ensuring maximum coverage and no missed spots. Smart and efficient.